Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. And my name is Vishal Gangwar, and I'm PhD Computer Science. Today, we are discussing about some important terms and their full forms. Okay. Daily in a daily life, we are using the computer, laptops, and we are using the mobile phones. Okay, and these are the important terms we have to discuss in daily life. Okay, but we don't know their full forms. Okay, so we have to discuss their full forms now. Okay, so the first full form, that is the Google. Okay, what is the Google? Google, that is the search engine. And what is the search engine? Search engine basically the software which are used for searching the information or data. Okay, over the network. Okay, generally whenever we have to find out any information regarding the anything, okay, over the network, so we have to select the search engine. Okay, we have to open the Google, we have to type like just like a global bargaining and press the enter key, then automatically the Google open all the back pages which are having the information regarding the global bargaining. That is the process. Okay, so the full form of the Google, that is the Global Organization of oriented group of language of earth. Okay, so that is the full form of the Google. What is the full form? Global Organization of oriented group language of earth. So this is the full form of the Google. Okay, and second thing, we also discuss about the Yahoo also the search engine. Okay, in all over the world, whenever we are talking about the Google is the topmost search engine. Okay, most of the people using the Google. And the second position, that is the Yahoo. Okay, Yahoo also the search engine. It is also used for the searching the information over the network. Okay, and the full form of the Yahoo, that is the Add Another Hierarchical Officious Oracle. Okay, the full form is Add Another Hierarchical Officious Oracle. So that is the full form of a Yahoo. Okay, generally every person all over the world using the Yahoo and the Google, but they don't know the full forms. Okay, so that's why we have to discuss these things. Okay, next, what is the Windows? What is the Windows? Windows basically the operating system of a Microsoft. Okay, there are about 70 to 80% people those are using the computer all over the world. They are using the Windows operating system. Okay, and just like Mac and Unix and Linux, they are also the another operating system. But most of the people using the Windows operating system because of its simplicity. Okay, it is the user friendly and the GUI based. That's why we are using. Okay, and Windows also having the full form. The full form of the Windows, that is the Wide Interactive Network Development for Huge Work Solution. Okay, see again, Wide Interactive Network Development for Office Work Solution. So this is the full form of the Windows. Okay, these are the most important: Google, Yahoo, and the Windows. The fourth one, that is the computer. Everyone know about the computer, but we don't know the full form of a computer. Okay, so the full form of the computer means common oriented machine, particularly united and used under technical and the educational research. So this is the full form of a computer. Okay, every word having the particular meaning. Okay, so that's why this is the important. Okay, the top four are the most important full form regarding the computer science. Okay, now we have to discuss about the virus. Okay, whenever you are using a mobile phone or a laptop or desktop, so everyone aware with the virus. So virus also having the full form: vital information resources under siege. Okay, so what is the full form of the virus? Vital information resources under siege. That is the full form of a virus. Now we have to discuss about the SIM. Okay, everyone using the mobile phones, Android mobile phones, simple mobile phones. Okay, and every mobile phone having the SIM. Okay, and the SIM also having the full form. The full form, that is the subscriber identity module. This is the full form of a SIM. Okay, next thing we have to talking about the APN, access point name. What is this? This is basically used in a network. Okay, whenever you are using the GSM or GPRS. Okay, whenever you are using the 3G or 4G network of a mobile phone. Okay, so that place we are using the APN, access point name. The next thing, that is the IMEI number. Okay, that is the unique number. Okay, whenever you are having the any mobile phone. Okay, and that is the authorized, then it having the IMEI number. Okay, and with the help of this number you have to search out your mobile phone all over the world. Okay, you have to find out their location and you have to getting the information regarding your mobile phones. Okay, so that is the IMEI number. Okay, the full form, that is the International Mobile Equipment Identity. Okay, International Mobile Equipment Identity. Next one, that is the BPN, virtual private network. This type of network basically used in a IT sector. IT sector means information technology sector. Okay, like software company or some others. Okay, they are using the VPN, virtual private network. Next thing, that is the HDMI, high definition multimedia interface. Okay, whenever you are having the laptop, as you know, every laptop having the HDMI port. Okay, so that is the simply the port that is used for cabling. Okay, connect the cable or just like a connector. Okay. Next thing, that is the USB, universal serial bus. Okay, so USB basically the again port. Okay, this port basically used for the cabling connection or the connector, just like a connector. Okay, port. Next thing, that is the GPS, Global Positioning System. Okay, that is the collection of a 33 satellites. Okay, so GPS developed by the America, US, United States of America. It's having the 33 satellites. Okay, that is the group of a satellite. Okay, this satellite basically used for the navigation and the positioning of a particular person or particular thing. Okay, so that is the GPS, Global Positioning System. The last one, that is the LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD is the one of the form of a computer monitors. Okay, basically computer monitor having the three things. One is the CRT, one is the LCD, and third one, that is the TFT. Okay, CRT, that is the basic structure of a computer monitor. In that we are using the three color light. Okay, three tubes. Okay, every tube having the one color, like red, green, and the blue. Okay, so they have to combine to each other and they will form the color screen. Okay, that is the basic structure of a computer monitor. That is CRT, cathode ray tube. Okay, the second, that is the LCD, liquid crystal display. Okay, in that we are not using the tube, we are using the liquids. Okay, so that is the advanced technology. Then the CRT. Third one, that is the TFT, transistor. Okay, TFT. Okay, in that we are using the transistor, we are not using the liquid, we are not using the tubes. Okay, so these are the mainly three category of a computer monitor. The one more thing, that is the RAM. What is the RAM? RAM is, that is the random access memory. It is a volatile memory, as you know. Okay, what is the mean of volatile? Volatile means whenever you have to restart your computer system, all the data will be the you will not getting your data. Okay, all the data will be the lost. Okay, so the full form of the RAM, that is the random access memory. Next thing, that is the ROM, or full form of the ROM, that is the read only memory. That is non volatile memory. Okay, whenever you have to start your system, your data will be you will find out your data. Okay, your data will not be lost. Next thing, that is the ALU. What is the ALU? Arithmetic logical unit. That is the part of a CPU. Okay, and in that it deal with the arithmetic and logical calculations. Okay, whenever you are working any arithmetic or logical calculation, so all the things are handled by the ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Next one, that is the CU. CU means control unit. Okay, whenever you are having there are different type of millions of instructions done in your computer system. Okay, it may be possible they are the arithmetic, they are the logical, or they are the other type of. Okay, so all the type of instructions are handled by the CU, control unit. So this is the overall the full forms regarding the computer science. One is the Google, Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. Second, the Yahoo, at another hierarchical offices Oracle. Third one, that is the Windows, wide interactive network development for office work solution. Computer means common oriented machine, particularly united and used under technical and educational research. Next one, that is the virus, vital information resources under the sea. SIM, subscriber identity module. APN, access point name. Next, IMEI, international mobile equipment identity. VPN, virtual private network. HDMI, high definition multimedia interface. USB, universal serial bus. GPS, global positioning system. LCD, liquid crystal display. Then CRT, cathode ray tube. TFT means transistor. Okay, next RAM, random access memory. ROM, read only memory. ALU, arithmetic logical unit, and the CU means control unit. This is the overall full forms of a computer science. Okay, whenever you have to know the full forms of these words, these are the most play the most important role in your life. Whenever you are the student of a computer science, whenever you are working on a with the computer science. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thanks.